Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Shehbaz here. In this video, I am going to show you how to conduct reliability analysis using Cronbach Alpha SPSS. Reliability analysis is extremely important in quantitative research, particularly when we are using multi-item measurement scales in questionnaires. In this tutorial, I will explain what Cronbach Alpha is, when we should use it, how to perform the analysis in SPSS, and most importantly, how to interpret and report the results correctly. However, there is an important point to remember. A high Cronbach Alpha doesn't automatically prove validity or unidimensionality. It primarily tells us about the internal consistency of the. Therefore, reliability and validity should be assessed as related but distinct aspects of measurement quality. So, a common used rule of thumb is that a Cronbach alpha of 0.7 or higher indicates acceptable internal consistency. Values from approximately 0.7 to 0.79 are commonly described as acceptable, 0.8 to 0.89 as good, and 0.9 are above as very high or excellent internal consistency. According to Null and Bernstein are frequently cited in research for the general benchmark of approximately 0.7 for established research applications. However, if Cronbach alpha becomes extremely high, for example around 0.95 or above, researchers should check whether some questionnaire items are excessively similar or redundant. So, now we will do analysis in SPSS. We will go to analyze and then click on scale and then reliability analysis. So we have different survey measurement scales and their items. So we will put the survey items to check the reliability using Cronbach alpha. First of all, I will check the reliability of 4 measurement scales items of green creativity. Now I selected the 4 survey items and then drop in item section. Then I will click on OK. So in this way, we have found that the Cronbach alpha value is 0.80. So it means the value of Cronbach alpha is higher than 0.7. So we have established a good reliability for green creativity measurement scale. Okay, so now we will do for another measurement scale and see whether there is also good reliability or not. Okay, we go back to data view and now we are going to test the measurement scale items of green employment involvement. Okay, now we'll click again on analyze, then click on scale and reliability analysis. We need to reset the section. Now we select the green employment involvement, this one, and then drop in item section and then click on OK. So you can also see that the value of green employee involvement is also higher than 0.7. So in this way, you can also say that the value of both measurement scale is higher than 0.7. So it means there is good reliability for both measurement scale. So in this way, we can check the reliability analysis in SPSS. If you find my video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and click on bell icon so that you can see the next video on SPSS, Smart PLS, NVivo, and other statistical and quantitative tools.